Hey, what's going on, kid family? On today's video we are going to be removing vinyl wrap that's right over here under my bumper. It's made to look like it was a diffuser by giving the bumper some nice contrast from the black from the blue to the carbon fiber wrap we had, and it's been on the vehicle for a good 7 solid years. Now some parts are already starting to peel from some of the areas where I couldn't wrap the vinyl that well, so and the adhesive is already non-bonding, so I cannot reapply it onto that area. So I think it's time we finally take it off. So this video is to pretty much show you guys how easy or how difficult it is to remove vinyl wrap from the vehicle. And we're also going to be taking half of the vinyl wrap off just normally by ripping it off, and the other half we will be using a heat dryer to heat it up and then remove it, to see if that's going to make a difference on the removal process. What's going to be easier? Is clear coat going to be coming off with the paint? Stay tuned to find out. As you guys can see, it is already starting to peel right over here, and it is also peeling right where the muffler tip is. So this thing's got to go. So let's get started heating up this area, and then we'll remove it, and then we'll go ahead and just try peeling this area off. So far, as you guys can see, everything came off super neat, super clean, no residue. Clear coat looks like it's still there. So the heat definitely did seem to help removing the whole vinyl wrap, and I'm glad there's no problems with the clear coat that I can currently see. So let's go ahead and remove the other side. We'll go from there. All right, so there you have it, folks. We got the vinyl wrap off from the diffuser. Wasn't that hard after all. I do recommend warming it up first, as it peels off all together and doesn't give you a problem. When you peel it off, when it's dry, it just tends to break in multiple pieces. You gotta keep scraping it off to get the vinyl wrap off. The finish underneath the vinyl wrap is as good as new. No imperfections. The clear coat is still on. That might be a different situation in your case if, let's say, your bumper was repainted a second time or a third time by a body shop. the factory paint job is always the strongest on your vehicle. So maybe if somebody painted it before and they didn't do the proper steps in painting the surface, the clear coat might potentially peel off if the vinyl wrap is strong enough to peel it off. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you're planning on vinyl wrapping your beautiful paint job, I definitely give you the okay to do it, as there's no negative consequences after 7 years of having this vinyl wrap on the bumper. See you guys on the next video.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cool.